The first tip of making the best PowerPoint presentation is always make use of great fonts. The font size really makes a great difference. It should never be too big, also should never be too small. But the font size makes a huge difference in a PowerPoint. It's easy to look modern by using a simple sans serif font, but experiment with different weights of the same font family to add some variety. So these are different font sizes which could add to a lot of appeal which your presentation would end up making, and that would give a very unique feel to your presentation. The presentation makes a huge difference. Therefore, the second big tool which you should use in your PowerPoint is give the design the room to breathe. Therefore, beautiful designs could be used. There are a lot of ready-made templates which are already available on PowerPoint. Otherwise, there are a number of websites which give you those beautiful templates, beautiful designs to add to the appeal which you want to make with your presentation. Healthy margins around your content makes a PowerPoint designs more digestible. Therefore, there should be enough of space left on all the four margins, left, right, bottom and top. Too much of animation is not good. Therefore, limited animation should be used in the PowerPoints. So skip those animation. The motion effects and transitions are stuck in the past, making your content feel very overly staged and forced. So there's no need to have transitions in every slide, okay? Or even the motion effects, they look everything too much in a PowerPoint. Colors make a huge difference in a PowerPoint. Therefore, use a strong color palette. A strong color palette will make a huge difference, especially the color palette which is always in a contrast with the background. Use a beautiful combination of different colors. There's a range of colors which PowerPoint offers, and the one has just to be smart enough to use the best combination possible. Strong complementary and supplementary colors will keep your PowerPoint design feeling professional. Therefore, the colors which complement and supplement each other should be made use of. The fifth simple trick is be simple. The more simple your PowerPoint is, the more strong it will send its message to your readers, to your viewers. Don't make it too complicated with too much of animation, too much of transitions and too many things. Make it simple. Another rule of PowerPoint is try to stick to Guy Kawasaki's proven 10, 20, 30, which means your slide should not be more than 10. The maximum presentation length should not exceed 20 minutes, and 30-point font size is the minimum which you should use. Now this 10, 20, 30 rule makes a huge difference in your PowerPoint, because more than 20 minutes you should not expect people to have an attention span in your PowerPoint. They will lose the sight, and that is not good for a presenter. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Therefore, use engaging images which make a huge appeal, which says everything which you want to convey, where words may not be enough. Use pictures. There are beautiful images available already. But one thing one needs to be careful about is avoid those staged, boring stock photos. Use some good images which are already available. Okay, there are certain sites which could be explored to get those interesting, engaging, insightful images, and just avoid those boring photos. While using images, just be careful that you use authentic images to bring content to life, engage your audience, and feel more credible.